What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. If the doctor can come over and you pay him, no problem. That's very good. But if you cannot, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And as always, guys, you don't know, wellness check. Do your wellness check. Please, me I ask you, me I beg you. Do some wellness check by your friends, your family, your next door neighbor, the people down the street, we down the street there, and even your enemy. Yeah, man, do some wellness check by your enemy. And guys, you know, Christmas done and gone. Big up to all of the people when we reach out to. Enough respect, enough manners, and remember, 2026 I come, I will it more. Will it more. I go on. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, remember, watch the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and remember, for watch the ads them. And guys, we don't know if you don't realize, but there's a hype up thing. On the phone, you can hype up the video. Yeah, man, hype up the video them. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm glad to be back again. Because I don't know my business go. I have to move up and down and cook for people. The other day, I have a private event where I have to go to the people in my yard and cook at the people in my yard right in front of them. I tell the people that was nice. But most of these things when I do, I cannot do any video in. So when I go see no video of me, I cook private cooking in a people house. I soon start to ask me, I make up a contract where them have to allow me for video. If them against it, me rather make my money than make my videos. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, make we go in at this now. My viewers and subscribers, I am tired. I am really tired of seeing when I see a go on the YouTube stream. So I decided that I want to make this specific video. And this specific video is me talking to Alicia Kim and our baby father. Now, Mr. Alicia Kim do a video say the baby father decided to make an appearance. I mean, I tell you the truth, I feel good. I feel nice. I really feel that it's about time them take them life back. And the reason why I say that is this. Alicia Kim been going through a lot with our ex and people on the media. And when me sit down and me look on it, me realize that this is 2025. A new year come. And if you're going to live accordingly to what people is saying and how people want you to live and you don't want to do this because people go say this, then you're living for people. My opinion, in my opinion is I believe that Alicia Kim and her baby father, man, should live how they want to live. If Alicia Kim want to have a family vlog, I believe she should have a family vlog without any worrying about what people is going to say. And let me explain. I make a video the other day, and the video I make the other day, I put into the video stating that it is not good that Alicia Kim cannot just make a video showing her daughter face because people are going to take it and run with it and make all kind of stupid video, not sensible one, stupid video about whose kid it is, you know? And I see many people coming in the comment section and I say, how, yeah, Alicia Kim been showing her baby and all different sort of something, when all I said was, Alicia Kim, it's hard for her to show her baby face. She can't show her baby face. It's her baby. However, if she show it, it go, this person go make all kind of video. However, I personally believe that whether if she show her kid face or if she not show her kid face, you see video I make, yeah? So if you're going to show it and they make video, and you don't show it, they make video, then why not just make your vlog, do your video? This is me as a man, as a father, as a brother, as a friend, as a person who respect people. I don't believe that because of people, we as people should change our lifestyle because of someone, because of other people. I don't believe that we should sit down and make people live our lives for us or live our lives in the way that they want us to live it. Because that's the reason why you see them doing what they're doing. Now, I also want to say this to Alicia Kim and Nari. Nari, me know say you know like the you know really like the whole heap of say and all kind of something. Yeah man, it's just a cool youth who just respect life and love life. But me see Ram come out with a video the other day. Cause me no watch him, just the headline me see, And me see him come out with a video say I call me thief, but I be laugh, be laugh. Me no watch the video see that just the headline me see. But listen to me now. I see Ram come out with a video the other day with some ladies on it and one lady with Nari picture. Now, this is where I believe, and this is where I believe and know that Alicia Kim should just live her life and do our vlogs with our full family. When I say full family, I mean the full family. Listen the reason why. Alicia Kim is not only up against her ex and her ex cronies. No, she's not only up against them. She's also up against her baby father and her baby father exes. Now, I would ask the question, and I would ask this question. This wife, Estrian wife, from Guyana, because she come from Guyana, of Nari, I would ask the question, why would you be sending pictures and all these things and communicating with Rumram, saying all these things about Nari to these people, that these people is going to make videos about why and all these kind of things towards Alicia Kim and Nari? Why would you do that when you is not with Nari for several years? You with another man. You are with another man. So my question is, why are you doing that to Nari, where Nari is living his own life? All you need to do is divorce the man. So that's the man. Guys, I don't know if the divorce gone through yet or what happened, but I haven't made any check. I haven't. But at least that's what you should be more thinking about. Get rid of this man out of your life. But what I know about women, not all women, most and some women, who is like these people. If you're a good man, they will hold down they will continue to hold on to you because they realize that what good they have is gone. Let me say that again. Let me say that again. Some women will hold on to you. Some women will cause ruckus. Some women will cause problem even if they know that the relationship will not be any relationship again. Just because they know the goodness of you and your heart and how you is and how you used to treat them. Because there's no way Nari wife, the one he's still married to, if it's still is still married, I don't know, I haven't checked again. There's no way you're going to still married to a man when you are living with a man, when you're having relationship with other people and holding on that calling yourself you're still married because of what? What is that man doing to you? Or what have that man done to you that you will hold on to that marriage or that saying you are still married to him? What have he done to you that will allow you to keep making yourself? I don't want to use no disrespectful word, so I go leave that right there. And my question to you is, you have a relationship. You have a relationship. Right now, you have one. So my question is, why are you trying to do these things to a man who want to move on with his life? So in other words, that's the reason why I'm saying to Alicia Kim and Nari, aka Baby Father, live your life to the fullest. Don't make nobody mess with what you guys have going on. Because guess what happened? They will not stop. As far as I concern, and as far as I see, they will not stop. For what reason? I don't know. Because guess what? They have people watching their videos. If there was nobody watching their videos, then it would be different. But they have people watching their videos, and because they have people out there want to know what's going on in Kim and Nari's life. Now, Kim, to be honest with you, I believe that your life, you should take back your life, your freedom. You should take back everything. Listen good enough. And the big up crew, I want to listen good before any of you going to say anything about what I'm saying. You want to listen really good to what I'm about to say. Kim, there's many things you want to do on the social media. And the reason why you haven't been doing it is because of these people. Just like how you take pictures and videos with your child and you hide our face. And also the Christmas pictures video that you take, the thumbnail, you say baby father decided to show himself, but you black it out. Yes, you said you will not bring any more man on your YouTube channel. But listen to what am I saying to you right here now. You won't bring any man on your YouTube channel because of what happened to you with Maki. You must know who Nari is. My question and my telling to you is, don't make because of Maki you don't do what you want to do. Don't make because of what happened to you with Mackie make you change your lifestyle, make you change what you want to do with your YouTube channel. Make your YouTube channel, live your life, make your YouTube channel work and like how you want it to work. Now, listen to what I'm saying. I need you to listen good. Your YouTube channel is your business. You get your brand deals, you get all the things that elevate you and push you up in life. It's your business. Don't allow anyone to stop you from running your business like how you want your business to run. You have a daughter. Your daughter is your daughter. If you show her face, they'll talk. If you don't show her face, you realize they're still talking. So, to me, live your life. Take back your life. Take back your freedom. Take back who you are. Do you make your business your business? Make your business a big, growing business. Build a foundation for yourself, your life, your kid, and your family. Stop making these people that you have to make editing a different kind of commodity. Stop making these people make your editing life a living hell. Because guess what? Because of your editing, you make videos with the whole of the head them cut off. You only can show the foot of your man. Listen to me. Listen to what me I say to you. Stop living for these people. And the reason why I say that, because many of you go say, oh, she not live for nobody. But she is, because she's hiding her baby. She's not showing the baby face. She's not showing Nari many things she's not showing. So that's why I say that. And to be honest with you, is I just believe that she goes through a lot. And I believe that right now is the time for her to take her life back. I me say it. I want to know how me stay. I want to know how me go to work. When me go talk the truth. Nothing but the truth. So help me, Father Jesus. Me go talk the right way. Me go talk how me see it and how me think it should have happened. I don't believe right now is the time when she should have flourished. 2026 are coming. Should have boom bigger. Because guess what happened? These women that Nari used to talk to, and I mean know say Nari talk to more than that woman. Me know. But why they are not coming out? Only these two. Why? Why only these two? Bitter baby mama who is married, but she's coming out. The man want to have access to his child and have to go back and forth, police and all those kind of things. And then all of a sudden, oh, he don't take care of his kids and all these kind of things. Then a woman that he married to, living with a different man. And I heard that somebody said that the only way I know so much about the woman where Nari with is because Alicia Kim tell me information. Let me tell you something. Me and Alicia Kim have never have a conversation. Never have a conversation. How I get my information is something that you all need to find out. My viewers and subscribers, it's a shame. It's a shame that the lady cannot just get up and leave. get up and make videos and don't have to be hiding. Because some of you, let me say this. Let me just say this a little bit better. A lot of you say, when I made the video the other day, a lot of you come out and said that she's showing her baby. What are you talking about? She's showing her baby. But guys, let me explain something to you. Alicia Kim is showing her baby, yes. However, have you noticed how the baby been showing? Yeah, you see the baby foot. You may glance a little, look at the face, a little glance, because it cannot cut out. And that's the only reason why you see that little glance, because that glance cannot cut out. Now, do you think it is right? Or do you think it feels good when she have to be making videos and she have to be turning the camera a certain way? She have to make sure the camera stay a certain way. She have to make sure the baby is a different way. She have to make sure. Do you think that's right? For her have to be putting her kid this way. You remember when Michael Jackson kids was little? They used to put sheet over their head so that nobody would see them face. But they still was saying all bad things about Michael Jackson kids. Now do you realize those kids, they don't put nothing over them face anymore. And they're still Michael Jackson kids. People still go talk to them because you have tabloids, you have paparazzi, you have all different kind of people. Let me say the reason why I'm saying these things. I don't trust people. I talk to people, but I never trust people because only I can trust me, myself, and I. I cannot trust not even the person who bring me on this world, even though I really trust her and love her and care about her very, very much. But you cannot trust nobody but yourself. But what am I saying is, if you is going to live as a YouTuber, as a content creator, as your business, you have to take your life back from what these people believe they know and put your life out there. And I go say this. There's many, many families out there that they have never put their kids on YouTube. Meaning you don't know if those people have kids. You do not know if they have kids. But that's what they did. Now, Alicia Kim is a different situation. Her kid is shown, but not the face. So why not just take your life back by just making your videos and don't care about what anybody say? Just be you. Just do you. Live your life. Because now is the time for you to strive. Don't worry about them or what they are saying. Live your life, Alicia Kim. That's how Rodney say. Live your life. I can't bother singing this morning. I can't bother singing this morning. But my viewers and subscribers, do you hear what me I say? Me just want people to know, say, it is, it is, it is not good. That's Alicia Kim have to be living like she's living in shadow, like she hiding. You know, she just need to live her life. Take it back. Live free. And don't even worry about what video a person going to make. Because let me also tell you something. The more video they make, the more views you're going to get. The more video they make about you is the more views you're going to get. And I go say this to you. 2026 is the money year. Is the business year. Is the year that AI is going to be so powerful out there. Is the year that brand deals is going to be even easier for families, for YouTubers, for content creators. Don't make nobody stop your bread. Don't make nobody stop your food. Don't make nobody stop you from living free. Don't make nobody stop you from living your life the way you want to live it. Don't make nobody make you don't have your vlog like how you want to. Because I know you want to vlog the way you want to vlog. I saw that video when you go and meet Chris. I saw it. That was a very nice video. Family link up. Remember what me I said to you. You have a good family. You got a strong family. You and Chris and your mother and your baby father can make some nice, smooth, real good vlog. And let me tell you something, Chris. Let me say this to you. You see the visa where you have, you need, you and your lady and your kid, you need to start to use that visa coming at the United States of America, come vlogs and make some vlogs and try to get some brand deal too. Listen to what me I say to you. You need to stop make them videos there about what people are say. Listen to what me I say, youth. You need to stop make them video there about what people is saying. Make vlogs about you, your kids, and your woman business. Think about business. Stop think about the crows. Cause remember, from me born, me see John Crow fly. And me a 53, so they now go top fly. Them a go continue fly until me, you, and everybody dead off of this world. And if we dead out in the bush, them same one a go eat we. That's them work. So if you go continue, worry about the crows, worry about the headman, worry about the crows and the drunk crows and who a eat, who a follow who and who a watch who. Remember me telling you go dead and them same one go eat you up. Or maybe, guess what? Them a try to eat you alive. So just think about that. Think about if you know unalive, how fast them go eat you up. Let me tell you something. Yeah, probably my eyes so them a scratch me. Let me tell you something. My viewers and me beautiful, me wonderful, me lovely, splendacious subscribers. Listen to what me I say. Me know you love Alicia Kim. You know you love me too. But listen to what me I say. You see that 2026 I come? Me? Nobody know my plan and nobody will know it. All you will do is see what is about to happen. Me nah make none of these unscrupulous people stop my flow. Yes, none of them can stop me flow. Because guess what happened? All them plan is, all them plan is to come on social media and live and tear down and eat people, flesh, because crow baits, John Crow, I don't even know the other name to call them. However, listen to me. Chris, Alicia Kim, and all the others, these crowbaits, these unscrupulous people, them now go stop. Then go make video of anything and everything. So to be honest with you and you and you, I believe that Alicia Kim should take her life back. I think Chris should vlog about his life, his family, and his lady business, and stop make videos about these crowbaits. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, it's been good. It's been very nice. I'm going to have a video coming up about 2025 that none of you know what I miss. Because I'm going to talk the things them in that video. 2025 review. Hey, give me Tory. Me no liar. Anyway, I'm out. Bye bye.